Hi, I'm Max Dilendorf, a crypto attorney based in New York. Welcome to episode 7 of my series for victims of cryptocurrency theft. If you are planning to arbitrate a claim against the US-based cryptocurrency exchange, you should be ready for a lengthy process. Arbitration typically takes 12 to 18 months from filing your case to the final evidentiary hearing, unless your case is resolved earlier through settlement. So why does it take so long? Well, backlogs, discovery disputes, and procedural delays are all part of the process. Today, I'll walk you through the typical arbitration timeline so you can plan ahead and set realistic expectations. So let's break it down. Once you submit your arbitration demand, typically with the American Arbitration Association, AAA, or Judicial Arbitration and Mediation Services, JAMS, as required by most user agreements, the first delay is administrative. These venues are processing thousands of consumer cases each year. After you file and pay the required filing fees, the arbitration forum will propose a list of potential arbitrators. Both parties can strike and rank candidates. And this back and forth process can take 2 to 4 months, especially if either side objects to the proposed list of arbitrators. It's very tempting to rush through this part, but remember, selecting a qualified arbitrator with experience in crypto or Fintech is critical to your case. They have to be experienced. Once the arbitrator is appointed, a preliminary scheduling conference is held, typically within a month or two. This meeting sets key deadlines for the entire case, including discovery and hearing dates. The discovery phase is where both sides exchange evidence, such as transaction records and exchanges cybersecurity and fraud detection policies and procedures, as well as security logs. In crypto theft cases, discovery often involves complex technical evidence. So disagreements about what must be produced and disclosed are common. These disputes often require the arbitrator to intervene and issue rulings, which adds additional time. If depositions are permitted, they will usually occur during this phase. You may also be dealing with expert witnesses, such as blockchain forensic analysts or cybersecurity professionals. For example, preparing expert reports and responding to opposing sides' expert witness reports can add extra few months. Then comes the motion phase, where each side can file legal arguments to narrow the issues or dismiss parts of the case. This can add another 1 to 3 months, depending on how contested the issues are. Finally, the arbitration evidentiary hearing takes place, and this is your chance to present evidence, examine witnesses, and make your case. Evidentiary hearings in crypto theft cases often last several days, and scheduling conflicts can push them even further out. Altogether, from filing your case to getting the final arbitration award, process could usually take at least 12 months and often closer to 18, especially if either side delays or disputes arise. Working with a crypto attorney can help your case to stay on track, avoid procedural missteps, and push back when the other side tries to delay the proceedings. Arbitrating a crypto theft claim isn't fast, but it can be effective with proper planning. If you need help managing your arbitration timeline or building your case, reach out to a crypto attorney for guidance tailored to your situation. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in episode 8.